welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys just a quick tutorial on how I did the eyeshadow look. I just used this Jackie Aina palette. As you guys can see, it's well loved. I just used Shookington and Big Wig to create this look as far as eyeshadow goes. And then I used the Maybelline Tattoo Eye Studio in Amethyst, Rich Amethyst. So yeah, it's pretty easy. It's very simple actually to do. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this Wearable purple look. I'm going to start with the color Big Wig from the Jackie Aina and ABH palette and just blend it in my crease. Kind of blow it out just a little bit and then pop a little bit in the inner and outer corners as well. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the color Shookington from the palette and then just pop that on the center of the lid as well. And then I'm going to take, once I get that on the lid, I'm going to take the same brush with no extra product and just blend the inner and outer creases together just to kind of make sure it all flows together. I'm going to take this eyeliner pencil and I'm going to just line my waterline with it. And we're going to go back into Big Wig and then just smoke out the lower lash line a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and curl and add the mascara to my lashes and pop on some false lashes as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of the face. I'm just adding Hoola Toasted Bronzer and MAC's Lovejoy Blush. And popping a little bit of mascara to the lower lash line. And that is it. This is what the eye looks like. It's very simple and easy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.